Hello students, myself Vinay Kumar. You already know that some previous days you are learning regarding the verbs. You have to learn in your syllabus modals, but I have started the verb, its kind, and then I move to the modals. I had already taught you that there are 24 helping verbs or auxiliary verbs or supporting verbs. Out of them, there are 10 modal auxiliary verbs and there are 3 marginal auxiliary verbs or semi-modal auxiliaries or marginal modal auxiliary verbs. By now, you have learned the definitions of the principal verb, helping verbs, also the definitions of modals and its nature. Now, before I proceed to the modals, I again teach you with the help of the diagrams of the verbs. So, there are 24 helping or auxiliary verbs. So, number of regarding AUXILI auxiliaries, I divide it into 3 categories or 3 classes. The first is primary auxiliaries. In this, we can write the verb to be. In example, am, is, are, was, and were. And regarding verb to be and then verb to do, does, and did. Again, further verb to have, has, and had. This way, there are 5, 3, and also again 3. So there are total 11 verbs in primary auxiliaries. And now come to modal auxiliaries, the verbs of in this class are can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must, ought to. This way, there are total 10 modal auxiliary verbs. Now, another is marginal auxiliaries. The number of verbs are 3. Need, used to, and dare. There are 3 verbs. They are called marginal auxiliaries. This is also called marginal modal auxiliaries because it serves in the sentence like both, like the principal verb and also the modal auxiliary verbs. So another name of marginal auxiliaries is marginal modal auxiliaries because it does the work in the sentence like principal verb or full verb and also modal auxiliary verb. So this is about only the marginal auxiliaries. I hope students you must know the use of am, is, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had. So I think, I hope, I expect that no need to repeat it again. So I move on the use of modal auxiliary verb can. Use of can. By now you know that modal never takes to before the principal verb, never takes as the helping verb do, does, did with the principal verb. And you know all the natures of the modal verb and with an example of can, I would like to teach you about the use of can. The first, to show power ability or capacity be used can. With an example, I can swim across the river. So here can shows the power that I have the power to cross the river. So
1 2 3.
the first to show power, ability, capacity can is used. The second to give permission. Can is also used nowadays. You can go now. So can is used here. Number 3, to show theoretical possibility. Can is used. Anybody can make mistakes. Next, to show habit or nature. A liar can deceive anyone. So can is the present form of modals. Next day I will start past form of can, that is could. Be quiet, learn your study well, and stay at your home. Thank you for today.